Hello guys, welcome to Talk Point. ఈరోజు మనం మాట్లాడుకోబోయేది Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency next to the Bitcoin. So Ethereum గురించి కొంచెం ఇంట్రొడక్షన్, దానికి బిట్కాయిన్కి మధ్యన తేడా, and what is its future and what exactly is Ethereum అనే దాన్ని ఈ వీడియోలో తెలుసుకుందాం. Hello guys, welcome to Nathan Talks. Now in this video, let us know what is Ethereum. Ethereum is a platform powered by blockchain technology that is best known for its native cryptocurrency called Ether, or ETH, or simply Ethereum. The distributed nature of blockchain technology is what makes the Ethereum platform secure, and that security enables ETH to accrue value. The Ethereum platform supports Ether in addition to a network of decentralized apps, otherwise known as DApps, smart contracts, which originated on the Ethereum platform and are a central component of how the platform operates. Many decentralized finance and other applications use smart contracts in conjunction with the blockchain technology. Ethereum is the second biggest and most established cryptocurrency. Ether, as it's more commonly referred to, is an open source blockchain platform that features, among others, a collection of programming languages upon which other blockchain apps can be built, and the Ethereum virtual machine and smart contracts. Ether is a relatively young altcoin compared to most other major ones, having been created only in late 2013 by a dude named Vitalik Buterin and publicly launched in July 2015. But considering its relatively young age, Ether has been able to garner unmatched support from the business, consumer, and developer communities. Because of the massive promise it has shown, its market capitalization has already exceeded $30 billion, and because of its open source nature, Ether has made it possible for a lot of startup companies to create their own cryptocurrencies on its platform. And Ether's popularity is expected to increase even more because of its trademark enterprise, Ethereum Alliance. It's a group of international and cutting-edge businesses that both use and assist the Ethereum platform. Its technological advantage over all other blockchain platforms. It's relatively huge developer community, and it's relatively easy development. Ethereum, like other cryptocurrencies, uses blockchain technology. Imagine a very long chain of blocks linked together with all of the information about each block known to every member of the blockchain network, with every member of the network having the same knowledge of the blockchain, which functions like an electronic ledger. Distributed consensus can be created and maintain about the status of the blockchain. Blockchain technology creates distributed consensus about the state of the Ethereum network. New blocks are added to the very long Ethereum blockchain to process Ethereum transactions and mint new. The Ethereum network derives its security from the decentralized nature of the blockchain technology. A vast network of computers worldwide maintains the Ethereum blockchain network, and the network requires distributed consensus for any changes to be made to the blockchain. An individual or group of network participants would need to gain majority control of the Ethereum platform's computing power, a task that would be huge, if not impossible, to successfully manipulate the Ethereum blockchain. The Ethereum platform can support many more applications than ETH and other cryptocurrencies. The Ethereum platform can support many more applications than ETH and other cryptocurrencies. The network's users can create, publish, monetize, and use a diverse range of applications on the Ethereum platform and can use ETH or any other cryptocurrency as payment. A brief history of Ethereum. Vitalik Buterin, who is credited with conceiving the original Ethereum concept, published a white paper to introduce Ethereum in 2013. The Ethereum platform was launched in 2015 by Buterin and Joel Lubin, founder of the blockchain software company Consensus. The founders of the Ethereum were amongst the first to consider the full potential of blockchain technology, beyond just enabling the secure trading of virtual currency. One notable event in Ethereum's history is the hard fork or split of Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. In 2016, a group of network participants gained majority control of the Ethereum blockchain to steal more than $50 million worth of Ether, which had been raised for a project called the DAO. The success of the raid was attributed to involvement by a third-party developer for the new project, while the majority of the Ethereum community opted to reverse the theft by invalidating the existing Ethereum blockchain and approving a blockchain with a revised history. A fraction of the community chose to maintain the original version of the Ethereum blockchain. That unaltered version of the Ethereum permanently split to become the cryptocurrency Ethereum Classic, or ETC. Since the launch of Ethereum, Either as a cryptocurrency has risen since the launch of Ethereum, either as a cryptocurrency has risen either has a cryptocurrency has risen to become the second largest cryptocurrency by market value. It is outranked only by Bitcoin. So which is better, Ethereum versus Bitcoin? So which is better, Ethereum or Bitcoin? Ethereum is often compared to Bitcoin. While the two currencies have many similarities, potential investors should pay attention to some important distinctions. Ethereum is described as the world's programmable blockchain, positioning itself as an electronic, programmable network with many applications. The Bitcoin blockchain, by contrast, was created only to support the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. The maximum number of Bitcoins that can enter circulation is 21 million. The amount of ETH that can be created is unlimited, although the time that it takes to process a block of ETH limits how much Ether can be minted each year. The number of Ethereum coins in circulation was more than 118 million at the close of 2021. One major difference that affects investors is how the Ethereum and Bitcoin networks treat transaction processing fees. These fees, known as gas on the Ethereum network, are paid by the participants in Ethereum transactions. The fees associated with Bitcoin transactions are absorbed by the broader Bitcoin network. A significant way that Ethereum and Bitcoin are similar is that both of the blockchain network consume vast amount of energy. Each of these blockchains operates using the proof of work protocol, which is a methodology that requires extensive computing power to validate transactions and mint new currency. Ethereum is gradually transitioning to a different operating protocol known as proof of stake, which uses much less energy. Ethereum's transaction to the proof of stake protocol, which enables users to validate transactions and mint new ETH based on the Ether holdings, is part of a major upgrade to the Ethereum platform known as ETH2. The upgrade also adds capacity to the Ethereum network to support its growth, which helps to address chronic network congestion problems that have driven up gas fees. Ethereum adoption is continuing, including by high-profile enterprises. In 2020, chipmaker Advanced Micro Devices announced a joint venture with Consensus to create a network of data centers built on the Ethereum platform. Since 2015, Microsoft has had a partnership with Consensus to develop Ethereum blockchain as a service technology on Microsoft Azure cloud platform. The Ethereum platform has a native cryptocurrency known as Ether or ETH. Ethereum itself is a blockchain technology platform that supports a wide range of decentralized applications, including cryptocurrencies. The ETH coin is commonly called Ethereum, although the distinction remains that Ethereum is a blockchain-powered platform and Ether in its cryptocurrency. So that's it for today, guys. That's all about Ethereum. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.